friends, you're watching Yoga with Meghna and I'm back with another arm balance firefly pose, Tithibhasana. Ready? Let's get started. Let's do few preparatory asanas. First, Parvatasana. Benefits: strengthen shoulders, arms and legs. It increases flexibility in the spine, hamstring and calf muscles. Next pose, Dandasana. It improves body balance and posture. Strengthen your core, arms and wrist. Next pose, Lizard pose. It opens the hip, hamstring, groins and hip flexor. It opens and releases the chest, shoulders and neck. It also strengthens your core. Next we'll practice Prasarita Padottanasana. It stretches the hamstring, calves, glutes and lower back. This pose strengthens the feet and it creates length in the spine. Next is Upvishkonasana. It stretches the inside and back of the legs. It also stimulates the abdominal organ. Now Kakasana, crow pose. It builds and tones the core. It strengthens the arms, wrist and your upper back. Before moving into the pose, let's know few benefits and contraindication. First, benefits. It improves sense of balance, tones the belly, open the hips, strengthen the arm, wrist and shoulder. It improves digestive health and blood circulation. It also relieves stress and anxiety. Now, contraindication. Please avoid this pose if you have any wrist, shoulder or lower back injuries. It is not advised to practice during pregnancy or post-surgery. People with low blood pressure should avoid this pose as well. Now let's move to Tithibhasana. We'll start from standing forward fold. So first spread your feet a bit wider than hip distance apart, lengthening your spine and slowly move to forward fold. Keeping your knees slightly bent, place your palms on the floor. Walk your hand back behind your legs and bend your knees slightly to create some space. Now grab the back of your calf muscles and tuck your shoulder between your inner thighs. Now place your palms on the mat behind your feet, fingertips facing to the front. Spread your fingers wider. Slowly lower the weight of your hips and legs into your upper arm like a seat. Lift your feet off the ground. You can extend your leg out straight. You can extend one leg at a time or both together. Do what best for your balance. Strengthen your arms as much as possible and keep lifting your chest. Keep your gaze front and keep holding the pose. Thank you for watching and please share me your experience. Hit the like button and subscribe my channel.